Hello viewers, and for you today I have another couple of coins from my coin collection. These are United States coins, and these are some of the less known coins that the United States has produced. Here we have United States 2-cent coins, one from 1868 and the other two are from 1864. These 2-cent coins are made of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. They weigh approximately 6.22 grams and are 23 millimeters in diameter. On the obverse we have a shield and a wreath and the United States motto, "In God We Trust." And I'll show you the reverse. And on the reverse we have the face value in a wheat ears, wreath, and the country name. These are 23 millimeters in diameter. These coins are 6.22 grams in weight. Okay, these coins, I've graded them. The first one on the left is only worth about $30. It's only VG10. Has a lot of copper corrosion damage there. The next one is $45. It's VF Plus. And the next one is $50 VF Plus. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.